For the last several versions of JMP, we've been focusing on improving both the data sources that JMP can connect to natively and the efficiency of connecting and sharing those data sources. Improving data connectors is a multi-release effort. As part of this effort, in the new release, we've added additional capabilities to connect to an AspenTech IP.21 data historian server and have added a more flexible and powerful Snowflake data connector. We've also added a new Python-based data connectors framework. This lets you use the near infinite number of Python libraries to connect those data sources directly using the familiar JMP query builder. To talk more about how data connectors are improved in the newest version, I'll hand it over to Neil Sikarsky, a senior software developer on our data connectors team. Neil?
Thanks, Dan. So, like Dan was saying, I'm going to be talking about new data sources in JMP 19. Most of those fall under our data connectors feature, which are introduced in JMP 18 to help revamp our ODBC connectivity. Data connectors let us provide more detailed configurability, made it easier to share those connections with others, and kept integration with Query Builder, something we'll see with these new data sources. We also have a new entry in our collection of data historians in JMP 19. And I'll start with that first. So in JMP 19, we'll be providing access to AspenTech's IP.21. This complements the support that we had for OSI Pi, or now just Pi, in previous JMP versions. The access is very similar. You'll find data historians in the menu and select IP.21. Then after you fill in your connection information, you'll have the ability to select the tags that you're interested in, and then select additional information such as a date range and retrieval type. For data connectors, let me start by mentioning that our SAS support is now backed by data connectors. We'll provide access to SAS via, including CAS, remote traditional SAS servers, and to local SAS instances. We're doing this on the basis of SAS's Python library, SAS Pi. We're also using this to support our JSL for SAS. Because we're using SAS Pi now, we're able to offer the ability to connect to multiple SAS servers at once, something we can also do with data connectors. JMP 19 will also provide direct access to Snowflake, providing an alternative to the ODBC driver. Because we're able to do this directly, JMP can download data simultaneously through multiple connections, offering performance improvements of up to an order of magnitude in data acquisition. We provide support for both the version 1 and version 2 Snowflake APIs, corresponding to different authentication methods, and which you can choose based on your organizational needs. We also are offering a number of data connector add-ins on the JMP Marketplace. These cover a wide range of data sources, including web data sources like Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint, Amazon S3, and Salesforce. We also have some covering traditional databases, MySQL and Postgres, providing ODBC and ODBC driver alternatives. We also have access to new file types, including one for LabVIEW TDMS. These are all based on a Python API that JMP now provides, and like the built-in ones I talked about earlier, these all benefit from the same configuration management, the same shareability, and the same integration with Query Builder. You have access to all these data sources with the same interface. But we at JMP are not the only ones. We want to create these data connectors, but we hope that because we've provided this API, that if you have a data source of interest to you, that you will consider doing this integration as well. And to support that, we also have an add-in that provides example code and documentation to help that. So to sum up, JMP 19 will provide not only access to a number of new data sources, but will also provide the opportunity to integrate in a new way. Thank you.